when you said you were gonna vlog? We should vlog. Hey you guys. So
Hey guys.
We made it to the beach. We're at Stinson and we're here for the weekend we're spending the night and then we're just gonna be up here. Yeah, we forgot to vlog everything else, but we'll keep you guys updated on what we do. We have a lot of plans. It's Stinson. We just got here. It's 5.
It's so funny that we literally brought no beach stuff.
We literally brought no beach stuff. We came completely unprepared.
Let's show our setup right now.
So me and Sophia are laying on our jackets.
The exact same.
We have one towel and Marie's on our jacket. Anyway, and it's definitely 5 o'clock. The UV's 4, but we're still tanning.
Are we still out here?
Oh wait, let me use this. Back. Oh, she brought the cowboy hat out. Yes, but it keeps falling off of me. And you're gonna have to edit all this out. No, we'll keep it.
I figured out which way was the front.
What? Oh, it's. Wait, show it.
I couldn't know. Okay, I couldn't tell which one was the front or the back, and then all I see are just fucking left foundation stains.
That's so disgusting.
So it's cute.
We're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Anyways, guys. Yeah, so we'll take you along this weekend. We might be going to a little lookout point tonight. We'll update you guys then. And yeah, okay. Anyways, we'll update if anything comes out. Yeah, bye. Oh, fuck it.
Oh my god, guys.
Bro, if this angles. Oh my. Oh.
Something happened. Parts right now.
If that ain't me in 40 years.
You don't want it.
I don't want
it.
Oh my god. Oh. Dude, this is aesthetic.
Soundstripe.
Fuck.
Soundstripe.
Little update.
I thought that was the fucking moon. I was like, but it's just the nothing.
What?
No, on your phone, like that, to take a picture.
Oh, no.
I was like, this is crazy.
We're just posted up on the side of Mount Tamalpais, and little story time. Before we got here, Marie's head ass was out of the window. Which I didn't even think you were out that much, honestly.
It was just your upper torso. It was really it. It was just a little head.
Yeah.
Boobs and up.
Yeah.
Titties and up.
It's just titties and up.
The tits were out for a run day.
And she was out, looking at the view, and we, pulled into the parking lot, and a ranger or whatever was, right behind us. And
she arrested Marie.
I swear she was gonna give us... Yeah.
She was like, so what was your reason for doing that? I was like, it was really pretty. I was really excited.
She does.
Can I see your driver's license? I was like,
and then that's when she got arrested.
I have my passport. Oh, yeah.
Because she didn't have her driver's license. She got her driver's license last week, just like we all talked about.
Yeah, and then she was like, for future reference, you should probably be keeping your driver's license.
It doesn't hurt to have it on you.
No, I just gave you my... I can't.
I don't even understand. She was like, I'll let you off with a warning this time, but and then she proceeds to tell us a prettier view where we could potentially be doing the exact same thing because it's that pretty. She's like, if you go over to this other place.
My phone just died.
Oh, we almost got a ticket. No clickbait. wake up next to us.
Period.
We're in my I guess old room, and it's like completely empty.
My nose is plugged. Like,
We're gonna go to San Francisco today, I think, but I literally just woke up like literally 5 seconds ago. I'll film throughout the day of like what we're gonna do. I can't speak. But yeah, I just thought I would update. It's really like overcast out.
I know.
It doesn't even look like it's gonna rain. It's just like literally cloudy everywhere. It's kind of fucked up.
OMG. I keep talking about my cat.
Oh my god.
And there's another neighbor who said, like, oh my god, we love her visits. Like, she's always in our backyard.
Really?
My cat, my neighborhood is like talking about my cat and how my cat keeps going to people's houses and how she's so friendly and all their pets go crazy every time, like, they say, like, Azteca's here. Like, one of their dogs goes crazy and it gets, like, really excited. Anyway, so my cat's really popping in Arden Park. Yesterday we watched a movie.
Oh yeah, last night.
With Brenda Song, with London Tipton.
What's it called?
I don't know. Oh, Obsession?
Oh.
Obsession. Secret Obsession?
Secret Obsession. It's on Netflix. It's like it's a crime. Well, it's like a thriller, I guess. It's like,
I think it was under mystery or something. I don't know.
oh, maybe it was. It was like
Ew.
it was like one of those stories that like you kind of don't know anything about, and then it all just kind of like comes together. Except for I knew the entire plot, and I thought that's what the movie was about. I told them all about it before we watched it. And it kind of ruined it, but it's okay.
I'm vlogging for Sophia. Marie has joined.
Another member is here.
Yes. And now we're deciding where we want to go and eat.
I just don't know what to say.
Don't have to say anything.
She's shy.
I don't know what to say. We were messing with Marie about how she's so sexual.
I'm not sexual.
She has a sexy voice.
Hey, I just want to get my sexual misconduct allegations
She's
cleared
just a
right
Capricorn
now.
rising.
I just like,
Gemini sun.
yeah, I'm just like, I'm gonna be sexy in the morning. That's what it's.
Yeah.
That's what.
And in the nighttime.
That's what Terrace rising means.
No Capricorn.
Capricorn.
Anywho's, yeah. So we
It's plural.
just wanted to say that Marie's here, and we'll update you when we get food, huh?
Yeah, we will.
Sounds driving.